If you look at this question, there is a polynomial multiplication to be done. First we will multiply this, okay, integral 1 to 3. I will get here x square minus 3x plus 2 times x minus 3 times dx. So I is equal to integral 1 to 3, x square into x will be x cube minus 3x square minus 3x square, okay, plus 9x plus 2x minus 6 times what is it, dx, correct or not? So I is equal to integral 1 to 3 x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 times dx, correct or not? I is equal to x to the power 4 divided by 4 minus 6x cube divided by 3 plus 11x square divided by 2 minus 6x integrated between the limits what to what? Integrated between the limits 1 to 3, right or not? So I is equal to 1 divided by 4, 3 to the power 4 minus 1 to the power 4, correct? Minus 2 into 3 cube minus 1 cube, correct or not? 3 cube minus 1 cube plus 11 divided by 2 into 3 square minus 1 square and minus 6 times 3 minus 1. So your answer to the question I is equal to 81, 80, 20, correct or not? 20 minus of 26, 52, correct, 52 plus 11 divided by 44, this is 44, and then minus 12, right, minus 12. So what will be your answer that we get here now? 40 plus 64, 64 minus 64. So your answer to the question for the integral will be equal to 0. This is the answer.